The greatest power in the universe is life, and it's in you. Every moment, every hour, every day, month, and year, you gain more experience, more ability, more power. Go be great.
You're listening to the Go Be Great podcast with Travis Wolf Sr., inspiring you to strive for greatness in everything, everywhere, every time.
Go be great! Great day, great day, great day. This is episode 4 of the Go Be Great experience. I am Travis Wolf Sr., and you are great. I'm so grateful for your time and attention, so thankful that you are here. Thank you to all of our listeners and our viewers. We are super, super grateful for you. Now, I want to talk a little bit about something that, and this is something that a lot of people find challenges with, especially people who just get started in business. Many of us are like, man, I really, really want a team. Because we realize as entrepreneurs, there's so much that has to be done within whatever it is that our business is. We just cannot do it all by ourselves. Entrepreneurship is not a one-man show. It might start off that way as you're growing and as you're building, but eventually you do want to get yourself a team. And I was the same way. I started Wolf Empowerment back in 2016, April 1st, 2016. And when I started Wolf Empowerment, I'm like, man, I need to do videos. Like I don't do videos. I don't have a videographer. My daughter was making films at the time, but she was so busy. Her schedule was so crazy. I didn't want to ask her all the time to help me shoot videos. So I'm like, man, how am I going to get these videos done? How am I going to edit it? I don't know how to do any of that stuff. How am I going to, do the copy, build the website? I need a team. I need a team. I need people to help me. And you know what I noticed? I kept saying that too often to myself. I need people to help me. I need people to help me. But it wasn't until I started doing it myself. It wasn't until I started taking the action myself, taking those steps myself, helping myself, that other people wanted to help me, right? Have you ever driven by somebody who's on the side of the road and they might be standing outside their car on the phone or something, and you look at them like, oh, they need help. And you just keep on driving, like going where you got to go, like he must be, I don't know, he could be anything. He could be out of gas. He could be, a serial killer. He could be anything. I don't even want to stop because I don't know what that person's got going on right now. Their car could be about to, I don't know. I just don't want to get involved in that. I got to go where I got to go. Right? How many of us have done that? Don't just say, I know it wasn't just me. I'm not the only person that's driven by people on the side of the road. But how many of us have seen someone on the side of the road and been like, oh, they're pushing their car. They need some help. Let me pull over, jump out, and help them push the car. I know everybody's done that, right? Hopefully, right? We've seen somebody pushing their car on the side of the road, need help, and we push them to help them get their car out the street or off the road or whatever, but we help. It's not until you help yourself that other people will help you. Everybody's got a great idea, but everybody doesn't execute. We're all not executioners, right? We all say we got ideas. I did it for the longest time. I still do it. Yeah, I want to do this. I want to do that. I said I wanted to start a podcast months ago. This is only my 4th episode, and I did these 4 episodes in 2 weeks. But because I said a long time ago that I wanted to do it, but I didn't do it, it didn't get done. And nobody was willing to help me along until they saw that I was doing the work and really wanted this to happen. Then it was like, this dude, Wolf Empowerment, might have something. Maybe I do want to be a part of that, right? It's not until we put the effort and the energy in ourselves before others will say, oh yeah, maybe I want to jump on that. Maybe I want to help out with that. Maybe I want to support that in some kind of way, right? We want our family members and our friends to support us and buy our stuff, buy our merchandise, buy our products, to share our stuff on social media. But are you doing that for yourself? Because I know for the longest time, I wasn't. And sometimes I still don't do enough of it, promoting myself. If you look at my social media, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like Facebook, Instagram, all that. I don't promote myself well. So if I'm not promoting myself well, how are others going to promote me? How are others going to want to promote me? Right? So one thing that we're doing, that we're working to do better, is promoting ourselves. And that's what I want to kind of drive home today for the people who are listening and who are watching. When you do, others will help you. When you help yourself, others will help you. So if you're looking, let's say you have a business started right now and you need help. You need, a team. You need somebody to do, there's a million. I'm not going to run down the list, but, for us, we have a videographer, we have somebody who's a director for marketing, or rather director for events. We have someone who we have assistants. We have people we have volunteers. We have a team. Anytime we go do any event, we have a team, 20, 25 people every time we do an event that are willing to come with us, right? So that didn't start until I showed the people that there was something that they could get behind, that they could believe in, that they could help me to push forward. So I just want to encourage you, if you have different spaces in your business, in your company, or in your brand, whatever you're building, if you have space for people to become a part of it, if you want a team, start doing the work yourself, start helping yourself, and others will help you. That's a wrap for the Go Be Great experience. I'm so grateful for your time and attention. Thank you so much for being here. It was my pleasure, my absolute pleasure, to serve you. God bless you, and go be great.